Good morning. Yesterday, my husband and I took a walk to the garden to see how my plants were growing. So I figured I would take you to the garden today. Sorry for the wiggly camera, but I'm walking. Anyway, I'm gonna take you there. Yesterday, I want to show you a real quick video clip of the rainbow that we saw yesterday on our way back. But anyway, my plants are growing really well, so I wanted to show you what they look like. I showed previously in my spring garden video that this is our neighborhood garden, and so you can see all these beds that people have planted their veggies in. Got a lot of trellising. People grow lots of tomatoes. It's really cool. So before I show you what it looks like now, I thought I would show you what it looked like when I first planted all of the little plants, and you can see how small everything really is. This is my garden bed. That is the zucchini squash, and let's see what we got in here. Looks like we got some flowers in here. Cool, it's actually really growing fast. And then right here, got some yellow bell pepper. Got some little buds right here. Hopefully those will, I don't know. Oh, there's a couple that are starting to grow. I don't know what that black is. Doesn't look good. Green onions are growing up. After my video, I actually came and planted some lettuce. So I've got some lettuce there, some lettuce there, and right here is one of my cucumber plants. I don't think it has any flowers on it yet, but cucumber. This is a bell pepper. It's grown up kind of tall. Looks like it's getting a couple little peppers in there, if you can see. A little pepper right there. One right there. Jalapeno plant. Let's see. Oh, there, it looks like there's a little, oh, that leaf's in the way. Looks like there's a little pepper coming up here. One here. Where is it? Right there. Some jalapeno pepper plants look good. Here's another bell pepper plant. Does it have any? Yeah. Looks like it's got some little buds coming up. And then my tomato plant. Let's see. I know it does have some tomatoes on it. Let's see if I can find them. Yeah. There's one right there. I think there's a couple more in here somewhere. But anyway, tomato plant is growing up. I probably need to stake it. Oh, here's another one right there. I think you can see it. And then this cucumber plant, it was starting to spread out. Sorry, it was starting to spread out, but I had to stand it up. But you can see there's a little female right there. And let's see. There's another female there. So we're getting started. But anyway, there it is. So there is a little update on my garden. I hope everything showed well. It's kind of hard to see in the sun and video at the same time. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have a garden, let me know what you're growing. Let me know how your garden is doing. If you've got any fruits or vegetables yet. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click subscribe if you are not already. Click the bell button so that the next time I film one of these garden videos, you can see how my garden is growing. But anyway, I will see you next time. Bye.